Hi everyone, Oliver from Data Academy here. Welcome to this tutorial on Python dictionaries. A dictionary in Python is a data structure that we use to store key value pairs. And as of Python version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered. They are also changeable and do not allow key duplicates. So what is a key value pair? Well, think of it like a real physical dictionary. The key would be our word and the value would be the definition of the word. So let's create our very first dictionary. We will use our friend Tom as an example. There's two ways to do this. The first one is to use the dictionary function. The second way is to use an empty set of curly braces. Once our dictionary has been created, we can add items to it like this. First, we type the name of the dictionary and square brackets. Inside the brackets, we're going to want to type our key. And then this is going to equal our value. And let's just add a couple more now. All right, we've just added 3 key value pairs to our dictionary. So once we call our dictionary, we can see that Tom's name is Tom, his age is 20, and his favorite food is pizza. Just like a list, there's 2 ways we can remove a key value pair from a dictionary. We can use del if we do not need to know what item we have just removed. Inside the square brackets, we are going to write the key. We'll use age as an example. And when we call Tom, we can see that his age is no longer in our dictionary. So let's add Tom's age back really quickly and let's use .pop. So we can say tom.pop and in the brackets, we're going to put our key. And it's going to return the value that corresponds to that key. We can modify items in a dictionary the exact same way we add them. And we're just going to change the value up here. And when we call Tom, our age is now updated. You cannot update a key from a dictionary. The way you would have to do that is completely remove the key value pair and add a new one with the correct key. To access items that are inside our dictionary, we can type the name of the dictionary and inside square brackets, we type the name of the key and it's going to return the value. If we want to access something but we are not sure whether it exists within the dictionary, we can use the .get method. And we're going to type in first what we want to access. Let's say we want to access hobbies, but we don't know whether this is in our dictionary or not. We can add a comma and then the second value is going to be what is returned if this key does not exist within the dictionary. We'll make this does not exist. Well, there is no hobbies inside the dictionary Tom, so it returned does not exist. And finally, we can use 3 useful methods that show us all the keys in our dictionary, all the values, and all the items. Thank you all for watching this video on Python dictionaries. Stay tuned for next week where we will be moving into script mode. See you all next time.